Hello, so I'm going to teach you now how to cancel an Interac E-Transfer for Scotiabank. So since my account is still pending for approval, I have a few visual aids for you to go through here as we go on to the tutorial, okay? Let me just pull up the first one. So please log into your account, of course, and this should be the landing page. Choose the second option on the bottom left, or rather bottom middle part of your screen, which is Move Money. After selecting that one, you're going to be arriving on this page. Please choose the Interac E-Transfer options, which is the second one, okay? After clicking that one, click on Manage because there will be three sections right here, which is Send, Request, and Manage. Choose Manage, okay? After clicking Manage, you'll see the pending transaction you still have, so choose a specific one you want to cancel. For example, let's go with this one, May 19th. Click on it, and specifically, you'll be directed on this landing page, which is just cancel this transfer of that specific transaction, okay? After canceling this transfer, Scotiabank will ask you where to deposit the specific amount after canceling it. So just choose a specific amount, or rather a specific account to transfer, and slide to deposit, and you're all good. You've just canceled an Interac E-Transfer in Scotiabank. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.